So today I'm at Noella Interior Aesthetics, not only to show you the amazing interior designs here, but also to have a talk with Noella, who runs and owns the store. So we'll be talking about everything interior and see if this is the right business for you. Thanks to Bionic for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the video.
Interior now is becoming a thing. It wasn't in the past years. But right now, everyone, I think because of social media, people have gotten an awareness of how it is nice to have a beautiful place. So everyone is trying, even those who don't hire you or don't want your services as an interior designer to take you maybe down to their space, they'll come probably like at the shop and you'll get to consult a few things and then you advise them accordingly. So yeah, interior is growing. It's a new business that is still very young and very promising. I'm not yet so much invested in social media, but I'm jumping on that trend because it's the only way you can market or reach out to everyone that you want. I have to, but I've not yet been so invested. There's a style of construction that has been ongoing for the past decades, or maybe 2 decades, or now people, because of social media or exposure, moving, traveling, people now see how best they can build their homes. So they're not doing the old style. So they're now doing mansions, and with that kind of construction, it allows a lot of light, it allows a lot of interior to take on, to be like there's a lot of interior that is required in such a setting or in such a modern building, because let's call it a modern way of construction. Yeah. So it allows us interior designers to work with engineers, contractors. It is now a joint kind of venture. It's the way we are interworking with, which maybe before wasn't the thing, because people didn't know much about interior. They would build and then go get fabric patterns and buy different chairs and so a bunch of different things. So right now people can now pay an interior designer to come and help them make their spaces beautiful. Okay, that depends on a space. We charge differently. We charge consultation fee. That's a different charge. And then we also charge site visits. But a charge for a site visit depends if it's a residential and where exactly is the residential. You cannot charge someone who is as close as Tinda as the same charge as someone who is as far as maybe up country. So that charge varies. And then the charge for apartments is also different from a residential. So charges really vary. Yeah, but for consultation, the standard charge is $100. Yeah, that is when you want to know. We go down to discussing what colors would be good, what lights, what like the sit down conversation that we have with the clients. Yeah. When we agree, normally we sign a contract. Yeah, for you to protect yourself and for us to also protect ourselves. So yeah, we sign a contract, and that is when the payment plans come in. You can say we want your space to be worked on like in 3 months, and we will decide on how you're supposed to pay a year. how you're supposed to pay that, the money that is agreed on, and how it's supposed to come in, because there's a percentage that comes as we start, as we go on, and as we finish. Interior has a lot of styles. It cannot be one particular style. Maybe if I can go with exotic, luxurious, but the clients that will come and they want contemporary, they want modern, so you cannot have one specific kind of style as an interior designer. You have to go through all different genres of interior, of design, and depending on the house or the client's basic needs, like basically what the client wants. Yeah, we offer design. We have a mood board that we use depending on the theme we have chosen to go with. Whatever we have decided as a team, because I don't work as an individual, we come down to discussing the process at which we are going to make a design, the interior design of a place come together. It's a process. Interior is a process that brings everything to life. The fabrics, the painting, the lights, it's a lot.
Something I forgot to ask Noella as we're having our discussion are some of the ways someone can start making money as an interior designer without having a physical store. But here are some. Digital interior designer. Here you provide your design expertise online. Specialty consultations. This can be an effective strategy to increase your monthly income or create passive income streams. Pre-made mood boards. Mood boards are visual collages that conveys the proposed design that interior designers have in their heads. You can sell these mood boards online for some cash. And using a Bionic payment link, you can receive payments from clients looking to buy your mood boards online. And here's what you need to know about Bionic. Let me tell you about today's sponsor, Bionic. Bionic is a digital payments platform that enables you to make and collect payments through mobile money networks in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and DRC. Bionic is brought to you by OneAfrique, which is the leading digital payments platform in Africa, enabling low-cost payments across the continent. With Bionic, you have a personalized link that allows you to collect payments from customers anywhere, anytime. And what's even more interesting is that it lets you collect payments from different mobile money accounts into one simple wallet. You simply send your customer a link over text, DM, WhatsApp, or on your website for exactly what they owe you. And all they have to do is click the link for them to pay you. Your first month with Bionic is free, so you can get to enjoy the services Bionic has to offer and see if it works for your business. Thereafter, you'll be charged 20,000 Ugandan shillings if you choose to stay actively using Bionic. Check out the website by heading to the description and start your free trial. Thanks to Bionic for sponsoring this video.
You cannot do interior alone. You cannot be the painter, you cannot be the technician, you cannot be the plumber, you cannot be all that. You have to have a team of people you work with. You cannot critique yourself and then be the judge. Like, you cannot be the ultimate judge of everything. To me, I feel like it's best if you work with a team. You have to decide on the color, there's floor planning, there's space planning, and you cannot be the one head that runs for fabrics, let's say the curtains, then the same head that goes to the lights, the same person that goes to concert tables, then every other thing that is put into a place, a space to make it beautiful. You cannot be one single-headed person. Interior designing, if you want to start, it starts with you. You have to want interior. It has to be the thing that you want. And if you want something, you have to do a lot, like research. You can reach out to interior designers and talk to them and find out how they did it. Or you can find your own ways of doing it. I did it differently when I was starting. So you could be different from every other person, but still when you're doing the same thing. Because if someone looks at this, for me, basically this is one, but it supports the real interior that intention or my vision is about. So I put up this deco shop to support Yeah, because the people, like I told you, there are people who come to you and they cannot pay for your services, but they can come to your shop and you get some consultation advice around here, and they consult you on things, and you can plainly extend that knowledge or advice to them on whatever area they want to work on without you having to go to site. Yeah, and maybe they buy a few things and then we tell them where to place them. Yeah. But I would say it has to be something that you truly want. Yeah, because it's not going to come so easy. You have to put in the work. Yeah, it comes with research, it comes with a lot of running around, it comes with a lot. But you have to be ready for it. You have to be invested in that it comes with. You have to know the amount of pressure interior comes with. I've been following it up lately, Chambogo, because Chambogo is offering interior as a course, a 4-year course, degree. Before it was a diploma, but now interior is I would still recommend anyone from Form 6, and if you get good points, you could do interior, but like I said, it has to be something you love. It's best if you're doing something you love, rather than just doing it because maybe it's a trend or anything. Yeah, you have to do it because you love to do it. And yeah, rather than, for me, I did interior because that's what I wanted to do. I see it through. First and foremost, I envision something bigger. I envision having stores, different stores around. I envision having to help or teach people interior, like so they can also, I would love to extend what I know to someone else. Yeah. So I see myself grow into so much. I see having a school and a lot more things that come with interior, because interior, chances are high you will venture into construction because you interrelate or interwork with such people. So by all means, there are higher chances that you will go, yeah.
If you're planning to move into a new house or you're planning to build your own house, you now know the value of having a great interior and how it elevates your home. On the other hand, if you're looking to extend your education, interior design could be something you could look into, as there are enormous opportunities for you. Don't forget to check Bionic by going into the link in the description below and start your free trial. Also, like and subscribe for more interesting discussions, and I'll catch you in the next video.